guys, welcome to my vlog. It's very exciting day for me. I have a meeting to attend. It's an YouTube event. It's called Creator to Creator Roundtables, which will be held at Google office today at 10:30 a.m. So I'll be going there, and I hope I'll be able to show you some glimpse of what I see there and experience, and I'm really looking forward to it, to know and learn more about Creator Studio and making YouTube videos and more. So stick around. So we're just done with the roundtable meeting, and it was really eventful, and we all had a really good time. And also, this is my friend here from Country Guys. You guys have to subscribe. They produce nice comedy videos.
And also please subscribe to her channel. She makes like crazy vlogs on travel and food and all. So please watch her channel and share it with your friends.
Yeah, and if I get like a good likes here or more views, I might be able to ask Country Guys to show me around Hyderabad and help me find a good restaurant to visit. We can do that. Where to eat in Hyderabad. Yeah.
Yes. Hello guys, please go and like our channel and bring a thumbs up and
subscribe.
Always watch Country Guys first, then go to her channel. Okay?
yeah,
Likes and a thumbs up. Okay, thank you.
Yes, bye.
Thank you guys. Bye. For today, my trip to Google office. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and see you again next time.